The single goal of human survival is sustainability and not to die. And since primitive ages, we have been seeing this collectively through generations of evolution. We had seen that how important and necessary human survival is for our growth, for our evolution. But what this human survival comes at cost in today's modern Kali era is nothing but it's just merely limited to earning money. And when life goes such harsh on you, when you are forced to obtain X element to get Y, rather than just being in a single line and just getting X, getting Y, getting Z, getting again A, B, C, and D, you are supposed to find X first, and then the value of X first, then only you can achieve Y. This is the whole algorithm and algebra of human life which we are trapped into. It's so dark, it's so humiliating, it's so annoying, it's so pressureful that parents, loved ones, relatives insist us so much, pressurize us so much to just obtain that X factor. But in fact, this is solely against the whole criterion of life. When you leave a person alone, barefoot and bare butt, that person would not only learn to survive but thrive as well. And just there would be a bright ray of sunlight coming on his head once he is out of that darkness, of that gutter hole in which he was actually born in that cave. This is how human evolution is, and this is how it must be carried on for furthermore generations. These days we are seeing that people are sent to coaching institutes, this and that, since very young age of 8 or 9, and the parents, their loved ones have huge ambitions as soon as the child is born. Imagine a child born in an IATBS family, his parents wants to get him an IAS job, so they would just rush the guy and send him to various coaching institutes without even asking for his consent, without even checking that if he is strong in those intellectual quotient and emotional quotient abilities, whether his natural latent matches the specific criterion for that job or for that stature. But we do not do that. We focus on living in a blurry life in which there is a lot of distortion and there is a lot of oversaturation. And now I want you to give you a choice. Choose whether be a man of your own stature, going through the gutter, going through the darkness, finding the ray of hope, ray of light naturally in the survival mode, or be a puppet of your family, of your society, of your girlfriend, of each and every one who is just there to guilt trip you. Choose.